Hello and welcome to the 1990 Motorhome Club. Discover the thrill of the open road. We're your passport to incredible journeys, offering a fun-loving community of fellow motorhome enthusiasts who share your passion for exploration. We offer rallies to unforgettable destinations, home and abroad, exploring captivating places and creating lifelong memories. You can connect and belong, forging new friendships with like-minded adventurers. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned traveller, you'll find your place here. You can travel with confidence, knowing you're part of a supportive network of experienced road warriors. So join us today to embark on an unforgettable motorhome adventure. Whether you seek excitement, relaxation or both, our Rally Club offers it all. Contact us now and hit the road with a community that shares your love for motorhome exploration. Hello, Jackie.
Hello, my love.
You're the rally coordinator for the 1990 Motorhome Club.
I am, yes.
So what can people expect to get at a rally?
At a rally, lots of friendships. That's the main thing. Everybody's very, very friendly and lots of fun and lots of places to go. We're going to Portugal next year. We're going to go to Pudefu. From Portugal, we're going to Scotland. We're going to Malmesbury. We're going to Delamere. What else do you want in a year?
Nothing
For goodness
else.
sake. Yes, it's just
So
good fun.
Any make, any model of motorhome?
Any make, any model, and any make and model of person as
That's
well. We
right.
don't mind what sort we have.
We
as long as
love
they're
them all.
fun.
We
only
love them all.
Yeah, fun-loving.
Fun-loving people.
Yes.
So join now.
Absolutely. Cheers.